Hey y'all, my name is GB Woods, aka the AI Educator. In today's video, I will discuss tools that have helped me with a faceless YouTube channel. Everything that I will be showing you will be free. Also, I have provided a free checklist that you can learn to earn income online. So, put your wallets away because everything that I will be showing you is free. Follow along with me and learn these tools. You ready? Let's go.
What's up, everyone? Sorry that this is a delay with getting out this video. I had some issues yesterday. I uploaded a video and I went to watch it again, and lo and behold, there was nothing. You could hear my voice, but there was nothing to be seen. Before I get started, to show you part one of creating AI avatars for faceless content, I wanted to also show you my free checklist that that I have in the description below. I am not selling anything. If you see it right up here, free. Everything that I'm showing you is free. There's free trials for so long, but everything is absolutely free. This checklist is not a free trial. This is just um, things that can help you along the way to get you started earning income online. So, again, I'm not selling you anything. Nothing's going to cost you. Like the AI avatar said, everything is free. So put your wallet away. But part one of AI avatar tools that I will be showing you, let's kick it off. And I've been enjoying using AI avatars. I think it's fun. I'm a geek when it comes to those kind of things. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is create an AI avatar. Um, you use Leonardo AI for that, and I have that in the link below as well. So you can use that. Or if you don't want to use a link and you want to check out the checklist, it's inside the checklist as well. But the first thing you want to do is you're at home, Leonardo AI. You can use it for free. You see these tokens right here. I've already started messing with it today, so you get 150 tokens each and every day to use, and you can use them all the way. If not, you don't have to worry about it. You get 150 every single day. So what you want to do is go over to image creation, and when you have image creation, you have options. You click this, and for this one, I'm going to use cinematic Kino, Kino, whatever you want to, however you say it. So I'm using that, and um, also, whenever you do that, you also want to come over here and make sure everything is 16 by 9, medium. Number of images, I believe they only let you do up to 4. You can't change it, I don't think. Um, and there's nothing else you need to mess with. And then over here, you have a prompt. And with that prompt, I have it in the description below. You can use the prompt that I have. You can change it any way you want to, and it'll adjust based upon what you put in there. So as you see, stunningly realistic 3D render of a bald 24-year-old African American speaker and YouTuber with a beard, who is looking at directly at the camera. Um, you can, like I said, you can adjust this any way you want to whenever you start doing this. I'm just showing you the one I use. So let's come down here. These are ones that I've done in the past. And it says this image might be explicit, but let's see how explicit it is. That's not explicit at all, as you can see. All right. So let me come up here, and this will show you how much each time you do 4 images, how much it costs. Based upon the model or presentation that you want, it'll change. You want to make sure this is cinematic. You don't want to mess with this. And then you come over here and hit generate. It takes a little bit, not too long though, maybe like 10, 15 seconds. And then it shows you. And if you don't like them, you can always hit that again to recreate them. or you can come up here and reuse the prompts, or you can make adjustments. So let's see what it brings up. Not too bad. I kind of like this one. Let's use this one for this particular test. So it's going to ask me, I'm going to call this test one and save. So you keep messing with that, and if you don't like them, you just keep rendering different ones until you finally like it. In this case, I'm going to use that one, and I like it. So let's. The next thing you want to do is create a account with Krea AI. Again, this stuff I will have in the links below, or in the description below. The next thing you want to do is when you create an account, which is free. You can use this for a little bit for free as well. They have a free plan. So you want to go to upscale and enhance. I'm going to remove this one because this is the one I used before. Confirm. So let's add a new one. Somewhere. Let's see if it's in there. There's one. All right, let's go there. And while it's uploading, you can see over here, you can click this, it says enhance. You want to use 2 times. The more you do, I believe, the more tokens it takes away. So let's click enhance to start. See what it looks like. And while you're waiting on that, you can go over to DubDub and create an account there. Start over with that. With DubDub, I have no remaining credits, but I'll show you how you do this as well. All right, so this is the one that Leonardo AI came up with, and this is the enhanced version. And you can play around with this and see the difference. I don't know if you can tell the difference. I know I can. But if you like it, you can download it, and I do. So test one. Let's go with test one enhanced. Save that. All right. So after that, you come over to DubDub. And again, I don't have any more credits, but I'll still show you what to do. So you go to AI avatar, click new one, new avatar, upload face photo. And if I'm going too fast, feel free to reach out to me at any time and I'll be more than happy to help you. Let's see, test one enhanced. Crop. You might get this notification, and all you have to do is just make it just crop it. It's easy. Oops. For So take a little bit. And there you go. Even if you get this, it's okay. But you see I have my avatar. All right. That's the first part. So the next part is creating text for the avatar to use. This is a test. You get up to 500 characters to use for this, for your character to use. And right here, you can click this, and you get to pick which one you want. Let's see. I My well, the one I used for this one today was Jack Hollow. So let's see. Let's go down. Oh, it's not there anymore. All right. So you get to go through here, pick whichever one you want, um, and see if you like it. Oh, let me remove that. There's tons of them in here, but if you notice, there's different. This is let you know right here. Let's see if I can zoom in. This right here lets you know that this is on the paid program. But here's one. Let's see what Dylan. Yeah. Let's see if we can find a free. And they have different languages, and you can come up here, language, accent. You can change the gender, or you can fix the gender, um, the age, the quality, standard, ultra. Obviously, these two would be paid for that. Let's see how this. All right. So let's see. So you keep playing around with that. Let's. All right. Let's pick that one for this particular. All right, and then you get to have it practice listen, so you can listen to how it sounds with the voice that you picked. So just picking that. So that part is just a test, and then you click generate talking, and then it'll download it. And that is the first part of this. You'll be able to use that for your talking avatar, as you saw on the beginning of my video, and that's how you get it started. Um, for the rest of this, stay tuned for part two of this. This is part one. And if you haven't yet, leave a comment below or uh, hit that subscribe button and say that I subscribe so that way you can get more notifications when the other videos are coming out. So stay tuned. I will continue this journey on using and locating AI avatars that you can create for free. And then helping you learn to earn income online. So if you like the video, thanks for stopping by. Thanks for sticking around, and I will see you next time. God bless.